Good day, dear students. So for today's video, I'm going to discuss with you a 2-digit by 3-digit long method division. Okay, let's have an example in here. 942 divided by 12. Okay, so similarly from what I've discussed before from my earlier videos, I need to do the same way. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. To make my calculation easier, later on I'm going to write the table of 12. So let's write our given, which is 942 divided by 12. Okay, I need to write the table of 12 to make my calculation easy. Now, I'm ready to start. Okay, first I need to divide. Now, as if you can see in here, I'm working with 2-digit number. Therefore, I need also to work from my dividend a 2-digit number. Okay? Now, I have 94 divided by 12. How many groups of 12 I can get in 94? In my table of 12, I can see that I can only get 7 groups of 12 into 94. Okay, therefore 94 divided by 12 is 7. Now, did you notice that I didn't write my answer on the first digit? Why? Because I'm working with 2-digit and I'm also working with this 2-digit. Okay, this means that my answer should also be aligned on the second digits on the tens place. Okay, because I'm working on the tens. Okay, next step, 7 multiplied by 12. Okay, 7 multiplied by 12, it will give me 84. Next step, subtract. 94 minus 84, that will give me 10. Okay, bring down 2. Okay, now how many groups of 12 I can get in 102? Now looking back into multiplication table of 12, I can only get 8 groups of 12 from 102. Okay, so 102 divided by 12, that will give me 8. Next step is to multiply. 8 multiplied by 12, that will give me 96. Okay, next step is to subtract. So if I have 2 minus 6, it cannot be. I cannot borrow from 0 because there's no value with it. So I will borrow from this and this will give me 10. Now, I can now start borrowing. So if I will borrow from this, it will give me 9. And this will give me 12. Okay? 12 minus 6, that will give me 6. The leftover in here is 9. 9 minus 9, that will give me 0. Therefore, 942 divided by 12 is 78. Remainder 6.